Marco came ashore as a weak tropical storm, but now people living along the U.S. Gulf Coast are preparing for Hurricane Laura. That storm is expected to hit later this week. Laura has already drenched Cuba and the island of Hispaniola, where at least 23 people died as a result of heavy flooding and landslides. Global News meteorologist Ross Hull is tracking Laura as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico, and that's where it's expected to strengthen. Ross?
Robin, Laura is expected to become the first major hurricane of the Atlantic hurricane season so far. Why? The right ingredients are in place. The warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, bathtub temperature in many areas over 30 degrees, and something called vertical wind shear. There isn't a lot of it from top to bottom in the atmosphere, which will allow this system to intensify. As we take a look at the satellite image, the storm isn't as ragged as it was earlier on, about 24 hours ago even. It's starting to take on more of a defined shape. That eye wall feature is also starting to develop, and that's the sign of a healthy storm. In terms of the track, well, as it moves across the Gulf of Mexico, absorbing that warm water late Wednesday into Thursday, likely reaching major hurricane status, southeastern portions of Texas stretching east towards the mouth of the Mississippi River, all in line for very strong winds, storm surge, and also heavy rain. So this is certainly a storm to watch. It will likely get absorbed into the westerlies, the remnants of the storm, and could provide some rain for eastern Canada by the weekend. We'll keep an eye on this one. Robin.
All right, thanks for that, Ross.